Hey guys, the White Obsidian here, and today we are going to continue our castle because last time we were very unfortunate and there was mobs. So check out the first video if you have not watched it, then go ahead and go watch it. Other than that, let's get right into it. I'm joined by Blitz Slime. He went that way, but let's start our castle. I know y'all are thinking it's made out of wood, but we'll make this is like a little tiny princess castle. It's not gonna be like made out of iron or something like that. It's gonna be made out of man, I messed up. It's going to be made out of like birch wood and stuff. I messed up real bad. Where's the crafting table? I guess I'll make a crafting table here. We had a crafting table before that. Oh, hi, Blitz Slime. Want me to follow you? Follow you? Show me. Where? Yeah? This looks like a pretty good mine. Or like, oh, a home, right? Yeah? Maybe we can make our house here. It's right next to the plains. Sure, you can start that project if you want. Here's an axe. I have an axe. You can go chop down some wood. Start making our... Oh, yeah, trade. Here, give me all those logs. There's an axe. Thank you. You start building the house. I'll build the castle. Oh yeah, looks like lots of sleeping in here. Doing anything for the last time when you're at home. Mm-hmm. Why? Okay, guys. Sorry, real quick. I really messed up on this wall, so you need to take out the whole thing. Yes. Yeah. Oh, well. Don't cut it. And oh, you don't need the axe. You don't need the axe. Okay. Well, thanks for giving it. Oh. Oh, you need stone? I don't know what you mean. Type in chat. Sometimes it's easier just to do that. Pick. Yeah, I know. That's why you needed stone. That's what I said. Yeah. I'll make yourself a wooden. I'll make you a wooden pickaxe real quick. Okay, I made you two. Thanks. Oh, here. Pick up the second one. Okay, I'm gonna continue this wall because man, the rain is crazy. I know what to name this video since it's so crazy. Hmm. Well, 1, 2. I need to take out these supports real quick. I like how gravity works on this game. But Slime, do you need anything so far? I'm pretty sure he's over there mining. Yeah, I didn't think he was somewhere over here. Right now it's in peaceful so that we don't kill ourselves. Right here. Get rid of this. So let's see. Nope, do this. Hey, Blitzam, could you come over here and help me? Here he comes. Could you take half of these? Go turn them into planks. Don't turn too much into planks, though. Give me the planks and the logs, and you can continue on the house real quick. Thank you. One, two, up there. Okay. So I think this episode we're going to finish. No. Wait. Yeah. No. Hmm. Wonder why he left. Must have been a glitch or something. Okay, yeah. I was helping him real quick. Okay, well, we'll be ending the video shortly. You know what that reminds me of? That looks kind of like the Great Wall of China. That's what we'll name this. The Great Wall. The Great Wall. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Stay in Obsidian. And we'll see you later. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.